Hi, I'm Channing Dutton, a partner here at Lawyer Dutton & Drake. Thank you for clicking the video link within our website to learn a little bit more about our firm in your case. Along with Jim Lawyer and Dave Drake, we are the partners in this law firm, and each of us has been practicing law for more than 29 years. During those years, we've focused our work on two types of cases for one type of person. The cases are personal injury cases for those who have been injured, not those who caused injury, and workers' compensation cases for injured workers. We only represent the injured. We are located at 1415 Grand in West Des Moines, Iowa. If you have a phone or if you have an internet connection, we can be contacted about your case. But the most important thing I can tell you is that no video from any website can give you advice about your case. The best thing for you to do is pick up the phone and call. And when you call us, you'll always speak to a named partner.